Hey guys, today I want to take a look at a really hyped up plugin, Orion. This is made by Jaycen Joshua with Cradle. This is his signature drum processing, so let's slap it on some drums and see how it sounds. This is Orion, exactly like the God Particle. It has the same interface, and this is the first contact that I have with the plugin. I don't know exactly what we have here, but let's check it out. Identical to the God Particle, we have the in, and this is like our target. Let me play the drums. We are hitting the target. First we have the drive with the high pass, and this is probably in parallel and high passing the wet signal, keeping just the high frequencies on the saturated signal. This has three different colors, A, B, and C. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, I like the C color. Then we have harmonics, compression, and lift. Let's add some more compression. The compressor has two modes, A and B. Let's see what lift does. From this, then we have the harmonic EQ. Let's play with this. Just for boosting, we cannot do any cuts. And then we have parallels. I believe these are his signature parallel sends. Let's start with sub. First impression for me, this plugin has a lot of capabilities and it's a really powerful plugin that has a lot of modules, let's call them, that you can use to shape your drum bus. For me, used in a subtle way, the same way I am using the God particle, this is going to be really good on drums. I don't know if this is going to be a game changer for me, but I will get back to you with a proper review sometime soon. This was just the first look and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Cheers.